Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, November 7th. Star Princess was christened on Thursday in Port Everglades, led by godparents Matthew and Camile McConnoughy. The ship was blessed and christened by breaking a bottle of McConaughey's Tequila over the bow. Following the naming ceremony, Sherly Crow performed a concert on the pool deck for all the attendees and capped off with an amazing drone show over the harbor themed after Alaska. Star Princess enters U.S. service today for a 3-night sailing from Port Everglades and then operates 7-night Caribbean sailings through the spring before it repositions to Alaska. And Norwegian Cruise Line is pulling back on solo cabins. During a Q3 earnings call, the company said it will reduce the number of single staterooms across all 3 of its brands, Oceania, Norwegian Cruise Line, and Regent.The cruises. This move reverses a 2023 plan to expand solo options, which included nearly 1,000 dedicated cabins and new categories like solo inside and solo balcony cabins. Norwegian now says that it's adjusting strategy based on demand and pricing, and that solo travelers can still expect to pay less than double occupancy. And as a correction to yesterday's story with NCL bringing back the Free at Sea promo, I totally botched that. If you're planning on booking NCL with Free at Sea, just read the fine print. And the photo of the week comes from Larry of Emerald Princess in Aruba. Great photo here, Larry. You can send yours in. Photos at cruiseradio.net. All pictures are subject to broadcast. And cruise line stocks were mixed on Thursday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 26.37. Royal Caribbean down 1.2%, 253.57. Norwegian down 2, 18.25. And Viking up slightly, 57.31. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Here at sunrise in beautiful Port Everglades, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great weekend.